Stormwatch is a day where our teachers pull us to the side to focus on our grades.
It's a program implemented by Rutland to ensure the progression in academics.
Stormwatch is an opportunity for students to know what they're missing and know it past their families, and then
we'll place their categories and depending on how we're doing in school.
Category 1 is when you're failing one class. Category 2 is when you're failing 2 classes. If you're failing no classes, you're a perfect storm.
It was actually very helpful to me because it let me know the class that I was failing, what I could do to bring those grades up.
I actually got there and to talk to the teacher about what I was doing wrong and what I was doing right. I feel like that was very helpful.
I found Stormwatch helpful because we had more time to work on assignments and we knew where we stood when they told us our grades.
And remember, it's always a great day to be a hurricane.